Ever wondered if everything you know about the universe is just scratching the surface? Today, we're revealing the shocking truth about how string theory and ancient Yijing Fengshui wisdom could be the key to unlocking the interconnectedness of everything around us. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment so you don't miss out on our next mind-blowing revelation. In our universe, the four fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force, govern different aspects of reality. But what if they're all connected by one grand theory? String theory suggests that particles are actually vibrations in loops of string, each with its own frequency. These strings propagate and interact, creating a complex, interconnected dance. When one string is pulled, it affects all others, creating ripples through the fabric of existence. Now, let's connect this with Yijing Fengshui wisdom. Just like string theory, Yijing Fengshui sees the universe as a web of energies and forces in constant interaction. The qi, or energy, in our environment is influenced by the five elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. In Yijing Fengshui, the energies around us and those emitted by household items are in perpetual balance and transformation. This harmony or disharmony affects everything from our health and wealth to relationships and personal growth. Here's a controversial thought. What if the key to solving modern-day struggles lies in ancient wisdom? Could embracing the interconnectedness of string theory and Yijing Fengshui principles be the answer? Ready to embrace this wisdom? Start by observing your home's natural energies. Adjust your furniture, add natural elements, and align your space with Feng Shui principles for a harmonious environment. Don't miss out on mastering the interconnectedness of your environment. Click the link below for exclusive access to our program on home frequencies tuning. Yijing Qi Feng Shui. Transform your home, transform your life. Like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all things Feng Shui and beyond.